What's up everyone, welcome back my vlog. It's Boy I'm from Pakistan, my city is Godar. So you guys, long time I'm not uploading a video. I'm sorry for that because I'm busy on my work, so that's why I'm not uploading a video. So today guys, I'm unboxing my MacBook Air laptop. So let's see and let's unbox and yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so let's unbox my MacBook Air laptop. So let's unwrap the plastic and let's open the box. Wow, it's very brand new, very amazing, nice. I like it. You see the Apple logo, you see the detail, it's very nice. Let's see. First I unwrap this plastic. So remove this plastic. Take it up. Hold on a second. Alright guys, I am unwrapped the plastic. So as you can see, the inside charger, I don't know, my first time. So as you can see, and this is the laptop. It's very slim, as you can see. It's very nice and very cool. As you can see, the back, it's very nice. It's very, see, side, very nice. Let's try to open first. This is now my, this is my new video editing laptop. I will edit my video here. Wow, it's very nice. Oh my god, it's very nice. As you can see, the camera is there also, and let's try to turn on. I'm first unboxing the laptop. Hold on a second, I will make this ID. Alright guys, so I'm done all, and let's try to open. It's very nice guys, you see, it's very slim. Wow. Now this is my video editing laptop. It's very amazing guys. My favorite application in this laptop, I have this iMovie. If you have this one, so you will you can edit so many things here, So let's go outside and let's go on the other side. Let's go. I have a dog. My dog is very crazy and shouting my backside. Alright guys, see you next side. Alright guys, I'm back in home. So you see, I'm going to beach and I'm fishing over there. I cannot talking because people, that's why I not talk. And so I hope you enjoy. So please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, and link in the description. You can check out my Facebook, my Twitter account, my Instagram, my everything, link in the description. You can check out please, and make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. See you in next vlog. Bye.